Hi Mr. Kunde, thank you very much for the question regarding your Bosch hob, and I thought I'd do this video response for you because the way you described the fault was not in detail enough for me to be accurate. So I'm going to go through all the problems that you might have with your gas hob not lighting. Basically, you've said to me gas ring no working, ignition and gas okay. That's not a descriptive fault for me to be able to help you, but I have put a link in on this page to your specific model of machine. Now you have actually got a PCS815B90E. Do be aware, after the E there is normally a / and 2 numbers, which will give you your exact model number, but I have managed to get an exploded diagram of your machine and a link to all the spare parts on the machine, and we'll quickly go through what the problem may be. If your gas hob is not lighting, the first thing you want to do is get the hob and the button, turn the gas on, hold the button down and manually light to see if it lights. If it does light, that means gas is coming through the jet. If you have no gas coming through the jet, of course it would not light. Now, if gas is coming through but it's not lighting, then you've got a problem with the spark igniter system. And that will be on this page that I've created for you, and it will show you how to test the gas ignition system with regards the electrode and also the spark igniter as well. And there's also switches on the actual gas knobs that activate the spark igniter to send the current down to the electrode to light the gas. That's one problem. The next problem that you may have is if the gas is lighting, but you're holding the knob in for about 20 seconds, and when you release the knob it's not staying lit, then you may have a problem with the FSD. This is called a flame safety device. This may either have a bad connection because it needs to be earthed through the system on the chassis. So where this connects to your actual burner top, it needs to be well connected to the steel so that the little switch in the side here, and if I bring that up to the camera, this is a dissected one, but you can actually see there's a switching unit in there. Now if this does not detect the heat on the burner, what would happen is your gas valve will not stay lit. It will shut the valve down automatically. This is because it's there to stop any accidents happening with gas valves left on when there's no flame. So that's a safety device. The other thing that you might have the problem with is if you're turning the gas on and there's no gas coming through the actual jet because of spillages or blockages in the jet, then this would be stopping it igniting. All 3 videos I've put on this web page for you, and they are detailed videos describing any of the faults that you could have with a Bosch hob. And they are very, very detailed, and it will sort all the problem out for you. Again, if you do need any spare parts, you're going to have to pull the cooker out that's underneath the actual hob, and then have a look up at the hob, and you should see an identification plate, and this will have your full model number on. Once you have that model number, you'll be able to order any spare parts that you need. I hope this quick video response assists you in repairing your Bosch hob, and the link to this page that I've created for you is in the description. If it does help you, please remember to give the video a thumbs up and like it, and also subscribe to the channel, as that really does help our YouTube channel. Thanks very much indeed for contacting us.